Hello, everybody. I'm going to offer you another little conclusion, another little snippet that I have been led inexorably to on the journey of life that has led me to where I am today, and Lord knows where it's leading me to tomorrow. And today I'm going to talk about journaling. So I'm going to tell you that journaling works. That is my punchline. Journaling works. Journaling is a fantastic way of helping you to find your sense of self, to kind of loosen and release the noise and work out where you are. Yeah, to work out where you are on the map. And I say that here I am in the middle of nowhere, 4 miles in that direction from a magnificent arch in the middle of nowhere, and 4 miles in that direction from nothing, but at least in that direction there is my car. Yeah, very, very, very important to know where you are in order to know which direction to head off in. And that is what journaling does. It gives you a sense of what's going on now. Now, people tell me that journaling doesn't work for them, that they've read all the books under the sun, that they know all the self-help stuff, that they've tried the journaling, and that it doesn't work for them. Now, if that is resonating with you, I would suggest you're trying a bit too hard. Journaling isn't supposed to fix anything. It's just supposed to leave you a little bit lighter. You've released a little bit of not so much your thinking mind, more your emotional state. You've owned what is real to you in this moment, and you've just written it on the page as if you're writing it for the waste paper basket. Yeah. So when you come out of it, and it should only take 5 or 10 minutes, and it's very useful to do it on a daily basis if you're trying to work stuff through. When you've done it, you should know where you are. There should be a sense of settling in your stomach, and that's enough. It doesn't need to fix anything. But in order to start going off in a direction which is meaningful, step number 1 is knowing where you are on the map, knowing who you are, when you are, what you are, why you are. Yeah? This is what journaling does. Without judgment, just simply writing it down, it delivers a sense of self-acceptance. It might even deliver a sense of self-esteem or self-accomplishment, because you start to look at yourself in a different way, in a less judgmental way. Maybe that's the best way to describe it. You just own stuff. And that's step 1 in the journey of being your best friend.